Hey guys, welcome to our channel Lifeopedia. I am Ravi Nagar, self-awareness coach and a meditation practitioner. So I have started a series of videos in which we'll discuss one by one all the problems related to meditations. So while doing meditation, what problem we face, that we'll discuss one by one. So in today's video, it's the first video of the series and we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is patience. So lack of patience is one of the biggest obstacle in doing meditation, and patience is really a big key if you want to get success, if you want to achieve your goals with the help of meditation. We'll discuss that what exactly meditation is and how is it done, but today's topic and the lecture for today is understanding all the problems one by one. So lack of patience. So stay tuned and get started. If you want to do anything in your life, irrespective of meditation, irrespective of anything, if you want to study, if you want to do any task, you need to have patience. If you have a long-term goal in your life, then patience really plays a key role in achieving that. So let's understand this by an example. Let's take an example of a rock, a big rock, okay, and you have been given a hammer to break that rock. Now once you hit that rock with the hammer, in the first attempt, did it break? No. In the second attempt? No. In the third attempt? No. Maybe in the 10th attempt there will be a slight crack, okay. In the 20th, 30th, 50th, maybe after 100 attempts that rock will break, right? So till 99 attempts you were fail, and in the 100th attempt you got successful. So you are getting the analogy, right? Similarly in the meditation also, maybe for 99 times you will fail in getting that patience, but maybe in the 100th time you will definitely get this success. So from one perspective we see that every attempt was a success, it was not a failure, but we are not able to identify that it's a success. We didn't get the results immediately, right? But there was something happening. When you hit the hammer on the rock for the first time, there was something that happened. So with every attempt, with every hit that you put on the rock was getting weaker. In the same way, when you do meditation, when you sit for 5 minutes, when you sit for 10 minutes, for an initial period of your time, there will be something that will happen. There will be something, some clinging, some pondering thoughts may go away. So if your goal is to achieve that 100% thoughtless state, then within a minute or within an hour, it will not be possible. It takes days and months and years of practice to do it. So that's why the patience is the key. But sometimes it's difficult to measure the progress because the progress is not visible. So it doesn't matter the progress is visible or not. If you have that faith, if you have that confidence that meditation is one of the things through which I can achieve my goal, then just start doing it and be consistent with that. This is the only takeaway that we can take from this video. So understand patience in such a way that with every session of meditation, you are getting something. You are getting result, but that is not visible. The result will be visible after some time, that maybe a month, maybe a couple of months, maybe a year. So this was the first problem that I wanted to discuss about lack of patience. So have patience, understand this example, and just progress in your meditation by taking this example in your mind. And if you want to learn meditation, a step-by-step meditation, so I have simplified a mindfulness meditation in such a way, in such a steps, that step by step you can grow in your meditation. And if you want to learn that, then my email ID is in the description. Just schedule a call with me and I'll give you important secrets about mindfulness meditation, and from there you can progress in your meditation. And the session is absolutely free. So don't wait, just email me and I'll be there with you. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe this channel because I'll be bringing a lot of problems which we face in meditation, and this was the first video in the series. And meet you in the next video. Thank you.